Hello friends, welcome to my creative channel to watch more creative videos on Python. We have gone through in 1.5 years or 2 years many new technologies in Python, such as we have seen socket programming using Python, we have seen public key, private key, networking, cryptography using Python. We have seen steganography using Python. We have seen machine learning using Python. We have seen web development using Python with MySQL, Graph, MongoDB. Then we have also seen Python connectivity with React. I will have some more videos on Python with React. Python as backend and React as frontend. And we have seen a lot of videos on machine learning like Streamlit, then tkinter, then CV2, NumPy, then CNN, Keras. In web development we have seen Postgres connectivity with Python, the video which is very popular. We have seen MySQL connectivity, we have seen MongoDB connectivity, and we have seen some introductory part of Python connectivity with Excel. Today we are going to see something new, creative, that is introduction to data science using Python. I will explain in brief about the data science. Let us start. Data science Python. Data science combines statistical analysis, programming skill, and domain expertise to extract insight and knowledge from data. It has become essential to various industries, educational institutes from healthcare to finance, enabling organizations to make data-driven decisions. Python has emerged as the leading programming language for data science due to its simplicity, extensive libraries, and active community support. Data science involves using scientific methods, processes, and algorithms to extract valuable insight and knowledge from data. It's like being a detective who uses data to solve problems and answer questions. Data scientists collect data, clean it up to remove any errors or inconsistencies, analyze it using various tools and techniques, and then interpret the result to help make informed decisions. This can be applied in many areas such as business, educational institutes, healthcare, finance, and more to improve the process, predict output, and understand trends. First of all, data exploration, data cleaning, data visualization, and statistics. Statistics is very important in data science. We know statistics in the sense linear regression. Linear regression, I will give some examples of linear regression. The gold price may vary from different values. Share market also vary with different values. It doesn't stable. The graph is not stable. Then temperature, it also varies according to heartbeats, that also changes. So these are the examples of linear regression. So today we are going to see maths marks of particular students. So students work hard, get good marks. Students don't study, then get less marks. So we'll go through the program with different types of graph. Remember that in data science, in my each and every video there will be graph, because it is related to statistical analysis, and that's why today the more and more job opportunities are there on data science. So we'll go through the program code first. This is all about. Now I will execute the program. Yes, Flask. Yes, student mark prediction. Prediction in the sense, if he is working hard, he will get good marks, and we can predict that okay, this student is doing assignments regularly, solving the questions, doing the lectures regularly, asking creative questions, so his future will be good, or he will get good marks. Gender male, race ethnicity group A, parent education masters, payment standard, test prediction score completed. Now we will see data visualization. So this is all about data visualization. I just have told you there is a regression analysis. Regression analysis in the sense, just like stock market, temperature, then different share market, insurance, there is always linear regression. The graph always vary. Then this is all about the data analysis. Parent value for education 100% because parent has studied successfully. That's why they are teaching to students. That district and this thing and district lunch value. Test prediction distinct is less because now we will see another graph. Here we can see that if he has completed, if none is done, then standard is good and reduces the thing. So some colleges math result is good, associated degree high school and this thing. So this about the graph and this thing. Here we can see graph always vary. We can also see the cricket score. The graph varies. In 10 over the run rate was that, in 14 over run rate was that. So that these are the example of linear regression. 1000 rows are there in our this for doing analysis. So I hope you understood the introduction to data science. I will be back with more and more simple creative videos on data science with Excel and data science with different connectivity, and I will explore more on data science, and also I will explore more on machine learning than Node.js, React.js, and so keep watching my videos on youtube.com. I hope you understand the linear regression in data science. So thanks for watching.